February 1932, and in the midst of the Great Depression, our great-grandfather, Hugh H. Bridgford, established our company when he opened a retail meat market in San Diego, California. He only had $64 to his name, but he believed that top quality, fairness, and hard work was the way to build a business to provide for his family. More than 90 years and 4 generations later, we still believe in that vision and live by those principles. Today, we're excited to welcome you to the heart of Bridgford Foods' protein business and the newest of our 5 production facilities. My name is Richard Bridgford, and I help run this segment of our business with my dad and 2 brothers. Welcome to Chicago. Our protein business consists of 4 primary product lines: dry sausage like pepperoni and salami, summer sausage, beef jerky, and sausage sticks. We rely on a team of more than 400 people to help us process an average of more than 800,000 pounds of raw meat every week. Our facility is SQF certified, and our Bridgford brand products, including our line of Sweet Baby Ray's beef jerky, are made from 100% American beef and pork, sourced primarily from the Midwest United States. Our facility also serves as a circuit headquarters for the USDA and is frequently used to train new inspectors. USDA inspectors have permanent offices here and are present in our facility every day. They play an important role in enforcing our strict quality standards. Production at Bridgford begins between 4 and 5 a.m. with fresh meat receiving. We receive up to 40,000 pounds of meat per truckload and receive 4 to 5 truckloads per day. Our receiving team works closely with our quality control technicians who are present for every delivery. All meat needs to be tested as it enters the plant to be sure its temperature is below 40 degrees. The fresh meat then flows directly into our coolers or freezer. Next door, we have a separate storage room for our spices and other non-meat ingredients. From here, the raw meat and spices will flow into our sausage kitchen or jerky kitchen, depending on the type of product. We'll begin our tour in the sausage kitchen. We can run up to 5 different stuffing lines per day to fill our production needs. Depending on the desired product, different blends of lean and fat meat are loaded into our grinders to be ground to different sizes. The raw meat is ground once, mixed with spices and flavorings, and then ground a second time to remove any unwanted bone or cartilage. The final product, finely ground mixed with spices, is now ready for stuffing. We use high vacuum stuffers to make our products. The vacuum removes the air to create a more firm product with a longer shelf life. The ground meat is stuffed into the casings depending on the size and flavor of the product. Once stuffed, the product is then conveyed to a crane system which loads full rows of product onto 16-foot tall trolleys. Now that we have a loaded trolley, we're ready to move the product into our fermentation and dry rooms. To accomplish this job, we've deployed a fleet of AGVs, automated guided vehicles, to lift up and transport the trolleys to the next step of the process. These AGVs continuously weigh the trolleys so that we can track the weight of our products as we cook them and dry them. This allows us to continuously monitor our yields and produce a more consistent finished product. Once an AGV has completed its current task, it will return itself to its charging base where it will transmit the data it has gathered and download any instructions that it needs for its next task. After cooking and drying, the AGVs can retrieve trolleys of finished product and move them to our unloading crane. Similar to the crane that we saw in our kitchen, this equipment unloads full rows of finished product and transfers them to a smaller, more mobile trolley. At this point, our packaging team can retrieve the finished product and move it into our packaging room. Once empty, the trolleys are moved through a washing system and then are restaged to be used again at the beginning of the process. Because of the automation we've invested in, these products aren't touched by human hands until they've been fully cooked, dried, and are ready for final packaging. Products like summer sausage and snack bites are packaged a few days after we make them in the kitchen. Pepperoni, salami, and dry sausage take much longer, sometimes 30 to 45 days before they're fully dried and ready to package. Products that are to be sliced before packaging are made in long sticks. These sticks allow for a better quality product by utilizing all center cut slices. The uniform slices are then neatly placed into their packaging. Before being sealed, the package is flushed with nitrogen gas so the air does not affect the product. We use nitrogen generators to extract nitrogen from the atmosphere. In addition to the nitrogen, we add an oxygen absorber to help further protect the flavor and color of the product. Snack sticks and snack bites are cut into the appropriate size on different cutting and dicing equipment and are then placed into their corresponding packages. The finished packages are packed into cases and then palletized for shipping. All of our packaging operations are conducted under the scrutiny of both the USDA and our quality control team, who is present on every packaging line. Now that we've seen how pepperoni and sausage is made, we can continue our tour to the beef jerky side of our business. All Bridgford jerky is made with 100% lean inside rounds that we source exclusively from the United States. We're proud to partner with Ken's Foods on our primary line of jerky featuring Sweet Baby Ray's sauces. Our strict quality standards and unique process, combined with the Sweet Baby Ray's flavor profiles, result in a uniquely tender, easy to eat beef jerky that has quickly become a top 3 brand in the United States. Once the marinated slices of raw jerky are ready to be cooked, they are loaded into pass-through smokehouses. These smokehouses allow us to maintain clear separation between the raw and cooked sides of the plant. After the cooking process, the beef jerky is harvested in order to move on to the dicing and packaging. We use dicing machines to cut the beef jerky into bite-sized pieces. Next, we use vibrating conveyors to move the jerky through the packaging process. Our packaging machines can run 70 to 100 packages per minute depending on the specific configuration of the package. We use high-tech scaling systems on each line to be sure that we get the right amount of product in each package. After packaging, everything is run through X-ray machines to check for metal or any other foreign objects. Finally, the packages move down a conveyor system to be boxed and then shipped to our customers. Thanks for spending some time with us today and learning about our company. We will continue to work hard to make the best products worth selling. As our great-grandfather used to say, we wrap our future in every package.